Cause they're blues clues, blues clues. We gotta find another paw print, that's the second clue. We put it in a note because they're who's clues? Blues clues. We gotta find the last paw print, that's the third clue. We put it in a note because they're blues clues, blues clues. You know what to do. Sit down in a thinking chair and think. Cause when we use our minds, take a step at a time, we can do anything that we wanna do.